Hey guys, it's Tyler from OzLED. Today we'll be going through the bracket assembly for the BASE6 SB9 Pro series. This light is an 8.5-inch driving light which is exclusive to BASE6. Using two of these lights, you'll be reaching over 2 kilometers in beam distance due to the spot beam that is featured on these BASE6 SB9 Pro series lights. In the box, you'll have your BASE6 bracket included with the light. In there, you'll have your bag full of nuts and bolts ready to be assembled. To make things easier for myself personally, I like to separate the nuts and bolts, similar to how they need to be installed with the bracket onto the light. Now we are going to assemble the bracket onto the back of the light. Using the largest bolts for the larger bolt hole, we're going to put the washer on first. Using the nylock nut, we're going to put that on the bottom, and the smaller nuts are going to go up to the top and the side. And then with the black pieces, we're going to use that on the rear to hold those nuts in place. Using the bracket, we're going to line it up, ensuring that the cable is on the rear, facing out the back, so it's not being caught on the front. And then we're going to line up the larger bolts into the largest bolt hole. If it makes it easier, we can always put the bolt in, turning the bolt to the left so it clicks in place, and then twisting right and doing this up finger tight. Using the largest Allen key that comes in the bag, we are going to slowly turn and tighten up the bolts, just on each side, slowly each time. Now once those larger bolts are in place and tightened, we're going to put the adjustable bolt through the tops. With the top adjustable bolts, we're just going to tighten these up via our fingers, not via the Allen key, so that when we mount it to the car or truck, we can adjust the angle and then secure it. Now that this is in place, we're going to slightly tilt up the bracket and we're going to use the bolt down bolts to place through and have it ready for the installation. To make this easier for the sequence, we use the spring washer first, and then we put on the standard washer. For the other side, you'll notice that it comes with two larger washers. This one just requires one washer, and then we use the other washer when we're doing up the nut. Using the rubber piece that comes with the bag, this is going to go on the bottom of the bracket to protect the surface that it's going to be bolted to. Once you have the holes drilled out on the surface that you're going to be mounting this to, the sequence is that the largest bolt goes through the center, while the smaller bolts go out to the side. That's it. The bracket is now assembled to the light.